How to transfer BONK from Bitget wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of BONK token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets and tap on deposits, and now you can click on deposit crypto. So in the search bar, you can type the BONK name, and after you find your token, now just click on it. And after that, what you should do, just click on Sol as a network, and now copy the address of your token. Now go and open your Bitget wallet. Now, after you open the Bitget wallet, now go to wallet, and now as you can see here, search for your token. So if you don't find your token here, what you need to do, just go and select the Solana. So after you select the Solana, go and click on Manage Crypto. So here you can search for your token. In this case, it will be BONK. So as you can see, you can find it here. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So wait a few seconds to add the token on your wallet. So after that, what you need to do, you can go back, and now you will be able to find your token here, as you can see. So after that, click on it, and now as you can see, now click on send, and now in two box you can provide withdrawal address as you copied from Bybit, and here's the amount that you want to transfer. And now if you have the memo, you can provide it. If you don't, it's optional. And now click on confirm. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your BONK token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer BONK from Bitget wallet to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.